Here's how to turn on screen mirroring on your iPhone in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Screen mirroring lets you display your iPhone screen on a TV, monitor, or Mac wirelessly using AirPlay. Your iPhone and the device you're mirroring to must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Screen mirroring works best with Apple TV and AirPlay-supported TVs. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open Control Center. Tap Screen Mirroring. A list of available devices will appear. Tap the TV, Apple TV, or Mac you want to mirror to. Your iPhone screen will appear instantly. If an AirPlay code appears on the TV, enter it on your iPhone to confirm the connection. To stop mirroring, open Control Center again. Tap Screen Mirroring, then tap Stop Mirroring. If you don't see your device, check Wi-Fi, restart both devices, and make sure AirPlay is enabled on the TV. For non-AirPlay TVs, you'll need a third-party app or an HDMI adapter. And that's it. That's how you turn on screen mirroring on iPhone. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.